Polygon holders, never miss this update. This is live price prediction of Polygon and exactly what's the technical analysis. We do a technical analysis in this video. So you can see this time Polygon is completely fails down for the last 3 days. I think yes, 3 days they completely fails down because if you know in the last month they are one of the unique coin to they moving upward very fastly, very fastly, very big speed, my friend. So this time you can see the chain as 0.79%. The price is fails down, and as you can see here 1.68 USD dollar is the price of latest. And you can see observe this time they completely fails down, so it's 100% sure to upcoming time they more fails down, but not just for all time, my brother. You know, first week just in only first just 2 days more wait. I hope, my friends, Polygon will also start moving upward very fastly. So if we check out the last 7 days chart, then exactly we understand. You can see this time in the last 7 days they completely fails down, just and only after a phase they take a jump, but the average, if you can see the resistance line. So exactly after a short jump they again face down and they cross the resistance line. So if they cannot they if they fails down from resistance line, then absolutely they are in the loss. You can see like that. So it's mean to upcoming time 1 or 2 days, my friends, they more fails down, but after that I hope Polygon will starting also moving upward. So you need to hold now this time because you know the price is very cheap, and if you have any plan to invest more, then exactly this is very good time because the price is very cheap now. So invest now and hold it and wait for a good time. I hope they will give you a very good profit.